So in the ancient yogic traditions, Vaak Siddhi is one of these special states of being. It's considered a power, if you will. I don't bring it forward here as a sense of trying to promote anything that's supernatural or that is what the Guru would often refer to as a useless and futile practice. To the contrary here, I believe that this practice of the 19th Pauree does bring us to a deep understanding, and if we really tune into it, an understanding of the power of words. And there was one point in a lecture many years ago where Sri Singh Sabji said, "Your words create your reality." And for some reason, that was mind-blowing for me, because what he said along with that is, it's not your thoughts that create what you think, if you will, but it's your words that create what you are and how you think. And so if you can change your words, you can change your life. Every word we speak has meaning. Every word we speak has power. And when we speak consciously, as the word akriti itself describes, we are creating a vibration. Not only does that word have a specific meaning, but there's a tone to it. There's a frequency to that vibration. And if we're using words to express and communicate with another human being's soul, or to express a soul connection, then we'll find that those words have deep value, and they have a special effect and power, if you will. Not power in the sense of controlling, but power in the sense of a magnified effect, of a deep effect. So we think of this siddhi, this Vaak Siddhi, is that when we look at the Guru's words are still impacting us today, and will do so for many generations to come. It's because these words are spoken at a state of consciousness, at a soul level that is beyond time and space. How can we do that? How can we replicate that? Well, the way that we do that is we put this meaning in everything, in this consciousness in everything that we're saying. So, yeah, someone's putting a quote of the Sri Singh Sabs in the lecture. I'll quote him here. One quote was, "Never use words if you're not going to express your wisdom. This will give you prosperity, beauty, bounty, wisdom, and everything in the world you want. Anybody who practices Vak Gyan," they call it, "the person gets Vaak Siddhi. When you utter the word, let it be word of knowledge, then it will be Vaak Siddhi. Then whatever you say shall happen." And this is from a July 9th, 1975 lecture of his, where he goes into some explanation about the 19th Pauree.